Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was highly requested. Somebody wanted to know how do I do my eyebrows, and I'm here to show you guys how to do it. I'm probably not gonna be talking too much in this video because like I don't feel like it, so I'm just here to show you something and go on with my day. Okay. So the things I use, you know, my little brush thing, it broke off the stick, so you know that doesn't mean this doesn't work. Okay. If you see me looking here, you know that's the camera, the mirror, so please don't be like, what you looking at. You're gonna need the little brush thing or whatever. Boom, boom, period, right? I use a dark brown lip liner, eyebrow pencil, whatever you want to call it. My Morphe palette. Okay. And brush, concealer. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So let's get started. I am going to do one eyebrow on here because I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to do one eyebrow just to show you, and then I'm going to come back and just show you my full makeup look for the day, and that will be the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at the mirror but showing you guys at the same time, okay, because I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, I need a new light because I feel like this light make me look orange. Like, okay. Alright, so so what helps me is I have like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have a freckle right here on my forehead. It's by my eyebrow, and I kind of now use that to line my eyebrow up, only on this side, but it doesn't, I don't have one like on this side. So I just take my pencil and start there, and then, you feel me? And then I don't take the pencil and I don't do it like all the way over here. I start like over here, and then I just color it in. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, I probably do both on here because I'm used to doing, after I do one, I'm used to doing the other side. Like I can't finish this one and not do this one, so you're lucky I'm doing both. Okay. You see? That's how I'm doing, like a little arch in your back. Arch in your back, puppy. Okay? Then, not in the front, just halfway. Oh no! Okay, I kind of just messed that one up, but ain't nothing a little concealer won't do. You feel me? So, I will fix that the way it need to be fixed. Maybe I can just do. Baby wipe, makeup wipe, whatever wipe. It don't matter. Because that look bigger than the other one. Alright, the concealer is going to fix it, so fuck it. Alright, so this is what everybody wants to know, like how I get the front looking like light and everything. So I use the eyeshadow. Okay, I don't like no pomade eyebrow things. I don't like those things. Them shits is thick and nasty. So I use the darkest shade and do this with an angle brush, and I just stroke up and make the line connect. Stroke it, stroke it, stroke it. And just follow and redo the line. Period. And sometimes I use my brush again, sometimes I don't. And then you could just use your brush and spread it out. Who's looking like a natural mommy? Okay. So let's do the other one. Because I'm ready to fix this one. It's giving me bad vibes right now. Okay. Alright, they look a little different, I think. But I'm about to be cute, period, sis on period, okay? So, I use this one. It's not my skin color, but it's close to my skin color. You don't want it your skin color, you want it a little lighter. Okay, so I take some of this, and then I just...
We're trying to find every space that we have available Eyebrow cards, but at some point, if we run into the amount of cards, something will have to give. We just don't have enough space to house all the animals that we have. Using Eyebrow animals is the last thing Patterson wants to do. In an effort to satiate their hunger, but slowly...
Okay, let's do the top. I'm playing. I can't have a long video because...
We try the best we can to keep every animal alive and healthy, and so that we can produce quality for consumers. And anything that goes against that is just pretty tough to me to think about. Farmers nationwide are now pleading for help. The U.S. Department of Agriculture said late Friday that they'll help farmers find markets for their livestock or help euthanize and dispose of animals if necessary. But according to the National Pork Producers Council, all farmers across the U.S. will still lose an estimated $5 billion for the rest of the year.
Okay, and then you could just take any beauty blender and just clean it up. You know, so it won't look too white, okay? You know, look too white and light. And if you feel like you need to sharpen how it's looking, you just take the brush and line up again. Okay, and that's it. 1, 2, 3. So my eyebrows is done. I am going to finish my makeup, come back on here and show you how I look, period. Give me 5 minutes. Okay ladies, I'm back. This is how the final look is looking. I have like a turquoise under my eye, nice nude lip gloss, lipstick actually. I'm not gonna put none of my lip gloss on today because I don't want shiny, but I'm looking beautiful. This is the outfit. Loungewear, Fashion Nova. I might do a Fashion Nova haul on my channel. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell in the bottom of the screen so you can get notified when I upload a new video. So you want me to keep doing looks like this or anything else, let me know what you want to see and I'm gonna do it. I'm really feeling myself. Like I'm really looking really cute. But I'm about to go to the supermarket because that's where I can go to and I have things to get. So, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to shop my website, www.ieshalavene.com. I will be having new products coming, and I will make a YouTube video on that when it arrives, so everybody can know what is new in stores. So I want to thank you guys for shopping and watching my videos and everything. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.